Kiprich and Kizzy, you know, our prayers and
Oh
our
my God,
thoughts
yeah.
are with them. Let me tell you something. Miracle was a beautiful baby. Take it from Aunty Donna. She was a beautiful baby. She had black hair. Her hair were curly. She looked exactly like her father. She was so pretty. She was so beautiful. And our thoughts and our prayers with them at this moment. Guys, please do not use this opportunity to tear them down and talk any negativity. Just give them prayers, and if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything.
And
She was
sometimes,
a
auntie,
beautiful soul.
sometimes it best,
Easy.
sometimes it best for people to keep them prayer to, you know, because me I tell you
I am
say,
going. No, let me just start before we go into that true legend, the prayer section. And we want to, and I said it this evening on the live that they are going through a terrible time now. And we just ask on for us pray for them, cheer them on, put on no differences aside, on no bad feelings, don't have aside. Whatever gone in the past, put that aside. When a mother loses her child, it's never nothing for somebody to rejoice about. When somebody loses a loved one and she carry her child in her womb, and unfortunately, and the child passed. So we just ask everybody if you just give them privacy, just allow them to mourn, allow them to, because them in a country where them not have no family and no friend, them they by themselves. Them have to just hug each other at this time. The world is far from them. Not the language barrier, they trang. No, them not understand nobody where them attack. No, them use the phone. Them not understand, and them just hopeless, helpless, and so we are beg the world, you know, please, especially over here, so the people them with their mouth, give them a break. Just don't know nothing to say, just a Lord, cover them, strengthen them, build a fence around them tonight, Father God, shield them. You understand? That's all me I beg for. You know, nobody come out, come do no live and all this and that. Have little sympathy, empathy for them, please. May I beg the internet. No make them have to come on the internet and come say Jana tear them down. Cause remember this is something what happened to them. It just from happy to sad. Something just pushed them in and this baby born, then next minute you hear say the child fly go, so then next minute you hear say the child pass. So guys, the internet, please use on a sympathy button, please use on an empathy button, and please just be kind. If you don't have nothing good, no come type up, no take them picture put up, just give them a time to breathe, and a time to just mourn, and a time to just acknowledge themselves that this happened to the two of them, and the two of them in the situation. You understand? And as mothers, we feel sad. Beautiful little girl, but God knows best. And I said it again, and I'm going to say it again. We have to take this as an example and learn that. I tell Kizzy, I said, if you ever get pregnant again, don't come on the internet, come tell nobody. Make them see you when your baby born. Hide. If you do a come on the internet, anywhere people for see you at your face. Because I've never seen so much hate and envy for one woman who pregnant until I see Kizzy come out with her belly. Every kind of mouth and spirit come out on this young girl tongue. Power in the tongue, all kind of negativity. So, you know, the Bible says life and death is in the power of the tongue. And people are speak death and some speak life. And you have to balance it and always pray. So, and everything, the internet now have to know everything again. We have to learn and see what happens on it. We have to see. Yeah, the girl pregnant, and I say everybody with it under the carpet come out, everybody with it in the corner come out. And so you understand me, I say legend you can't come in, but me just want to say that. It's like them just take it pan her.
I mean, I tell us, I feel a way, man.
Slack and say and go all because of money.
Exactly. You know, the worst thing to auntie is that when she want, and I tell her, say, I don't want nobody come now and go say, oh, boy, I'm sorry for you, because when she wanted the help for her baby and she came out and was asking, people bash them, people bash them, come, and people do them all sort of stuff. But all of a sudden, when they wanted the help and when the baby now passed away, all of a sudden, oh, me could have went to this. I say I don't like after feelings and I don't like empathy and sympathy because you see people is heartless and dangerous because they wanted the help and they might ask because had they flew that baby out, well, we don't know what God have in our plans, Auntie. But I am just saying,
And
had
you
that
know what
baby
me
been
said to
flew
them when me
out.
hear say the baby pass, me I say might be if the baby did stay which part the baby did there because it look like them did not take good care of the baby because the baby reach at the hospital we have equipped with everything and the baby. But that me I say God,
Yeah, because
make
guess what,
she
every
did
baby
stay
will
down at the
leave
little
her early.
place.
Anyway, the baby when leave and when they ask the help, Auntie, believe me, say maybe that baby would have had a fighting chance. But because
True.
when the girl when they ask the help, everybody they bash them. And them, I may say everybody have them past, Auntie. We all have we past. We all have one demon so we fight in our past. We get that. You understand me? I say none of we not perfect. If show me one man we perfect. And if him perfect, me change my life forever. There's nobody that is perfect. And we all have a past and we all have some demons fighting. You understand what I say? But when the girl came out and was asking for help, everybody used her past beat her. Oh, I sure she always a do and she always a whatever. But this is a baby's life that we're talking about. And if you don't have it, Figgy, just don't get yourself involved. My granny always say, when I have nothing good to say, no say nothing at all. Shut your mouth. You understand? And half of who is talking are people who don't have rat hell.
True.
They don't even have to contribute. But because they want to drag you down, and as me said, people run with the negative more than positive. They run with the negative and then drag them go, then drag them come. And because we Jamaicans will love the excitement, we become so involved and we laugh at it too, and we get so immune to this to all this toxic behavior.
You see, it's when me look and me see a peer woman, 90%, 95% of who did attack bad things were women. Who would have think say no, it's a mother and a child. A women come out, women in the comment section, women that say bad things, women. Peer woman, 95% of the persons them will come out upon them were women. Women, woman. We either say, boy, and them would have sympathy, and them would have compassion, and them would have, you would have to have them. Them
The
start
woman them
find
bitter, you
fault
know.
with lifestyle and everything.
The woman them bitter. Me tell her say when the me see the girl them a drag, when me see everybody that drag Kizzy and Kiprich, when me tell her say now the comment, you want to see the woman them, you want to see the woman them a drag them, go and they drag them come at me and say, where's the women? Where's the woman power? Why you can't find a woman that stand up for another woman? Why them woman abuse? And you know the funny thing is that the same females give men the opportunity to diss women, because of how they come on the media, they behave, Them give the men them opportunity if you can say alright. If you can tell me say alright, my
And let me
panty.
tell you something to true legend as you talk about that. It is so sad that we see it happen. But the problem is me can dey here on my platform. When people have them phone, right? Me can say, true legend, don't diss the baby, don't diss the mother. It's like you throw my granny would have said throw powder upon blackbird. Because when people have them platform, they make sure I tell us say you can't give them no chat with what they do. If them a bring down somebody and you say to them, say, say it not look good, stop it. Them not hear you because at the end of the day are them bread bag. Bringing down people after them we have
The
making
local
money.
coins.
Yes, making a little kind. So if you say to them, say, boy, no look good, go on and allow me, you can't afford this, and you appear on Facebook, you cannot, it's like you cannot, you can't even refer to nobody and say, say this no look good. And if you refer to them and tell them, say this no look good, remember, them a come cost you. You have to just love people and just you talk in general, but you have to just say God, and you have to take control. And like what God right, I know God don't come like him condemn social media. God don't come like God look past social media and say, this is one of the works of the devil, this is not nothing of me. It's like it be broke out. Nobody now, woman where you expect to say, all right, we could done that. Our man,
Auntie,
then up his sneeze.
Auntie, let me tell you something. And I may come off script based on what you just say. And what you just say is facts. You know that I was scrolling through social media. I was scrolling through TikTok. 2 days ago, and it leads me to wonder if children depend on the app for true. You know, sometimes the app is
Of
no
course, the
longer
school
fun for
pity
true.
them live over
But hold on,
here.
auntie, I'm for show you. There was a late I was scrolling through, and I
No
don't know
call
if it.
nobody name pa here.
No, I'm not, auntie. Oh God, they're
Mm.
supposed to know me, auntie. And I was scrolling through, and I know everybody else can attest to this. I know that there was a live going on with females naked, completely naked. There was a live going on with females completely naked. They show every single thing. I may look upon it and I say, judge.